This is Dr. Doug Werner. I'm an acupuncture physician, and we're here at Essentials Retreat and Day Spa. And I'd like to show you a little bit about acupuncture and what it can do for you. What we've done here is what we call an auricular therapy treatment, or ear acupuncture, as a lot of people know it. I have about 6 or 7 needles here, and what we're trying to affect is a balance in the body. When you experience acupuncture, it is for treating a variety of different conditions, but ultimately what we're trying to do with acupuncture is find balance for the body. We call it yin and yang. And acupuncture is very good. It's about 5,000 years old. We use it for a variety of things: physical, mental, emotional, and these are some of the things that you'll see today in this demonstration, so I hope you enjoy. This particular point is called the Valium Point. I like it because initially when people come in for acupuncture, if they have maybe a little bit of fear of needles, this is a great one to utilize to help them calm down, and it provides just a great sense of well-being overall during the session. Now this is an interesting point. This is the point at the vertex of the head. Classically, this point helps to pull the energy from the bottom of the feet all the way to the top of the head. And again, physically, if you're feeling weak, particularly in the low back, this is a point that we like to use. If you have mental, emotional, if you're depressed, this is also a point that is quite effective for changing. So the patient has come in today with a chief complaint of elbow pain. And classically, we like to ask the question, where is the pain? Is it on the inside of the arm or the outside of the arm? Because there's a difference. If it's on the outside of the elbow, that's typically tennis elbow. If it's on the inner side of the elbow, we're talking about golf syndrome. People who like to play golf and who can't play golf will be able to play golf after we give them some treatments using specific protocol and needling. So we're going to do that for patient today. I'm going to start out with simple needling. Okay, we're going to needle on the outside first. Okay. So not only do we like to treat the area of pain, but we also like to treat the other side of pain so that we get both. And And then the patient also complains of pain that rides up the arm slightly. So we're going to needle that particular trigger point region. You know, in Chinese medicine, we talk about meridians. Those are channels where the energy flows. It's not a blood, it's not a nerve line. It's a specific line for what we call the qi in Chinese medicine. Again, we're always trying to find balance in acupuncture and Chinese medicine. So this is what we're attempting to do now, is to find where the energy block is and to remove that block so that the pain will be less and then the body can heal itself. Because this is right-sided pain, I want to add a few more needles on the hand that will help treat that elbow. Sometimes we get a little bit of sensation in needling. Okay. Not too bad. In Chinese medicine, we talk about the 5 elements: earth, wind, water, fire, metal. And in this case, we have a spot that corresponds to the distal point from the elbow to the hand. We like to use this point on what we call the small intestine channel to treat the pain that is here in this particular area of the elbow. It's very effective. So again, you may see needles far away from that indicated point of pain. However, a lot of times the specific recipe calls for needles at a distal end, and so we use the hand distal to the elbow. And sometimes also, because I've used needles in the ear, we have distal points that come directly out of the ear to help with what's going on with this particular pain in his elbow, his inner elbow, his golfing